So, once again, good morning all. So, this is the video lecture on data structures. So, currently we are discussing with module 5. So, module 5 we have seen one of the searching and sorting. Totally there are 3 chapters. So, in module 5, module 5 first consists of graphs, second will be searching and sorting, third one is files. So in that, we are going to discuss searching and sorting first. So in searching and sorting, in the previous lecture video, we have gone with a heap sort technique. So what is heap, what is min heap, what is max heap, and we have gone with a sorting of heap using min heap and max heap concepts. Okay, so in today's class, we are going with a new concept, that is Radix sort. So after the Radix sort, you have heaps. Okay, so first see what is the Radix sort. So Radix sort is a type of the sorting algorithm. So where you are going to sort digit by digit sort. So, so many elements will be given like 10, 20, 1, 5, 3 and all. So idea of the Radix sort is to go digit by digit sort starting from least significant bit to most significant bit. So suppose we have the value 1. So the number 1. So number 1 we call it as, it is the least significant bit. So suppose you go with a number 10. So number 10, 0 is called least significant and 1 is called most significant. For example, go for value 100. So first 0 is the least significant, second 0 is also least significant, and third one is the most significant number. So that is the concept of least significant means last one, which is at unit place we consider it as least significant bit, and which is at and tens or hundredth place, we call it as most significant digit. Okay, it uses counting sort as a subroutine to sort. Okay, so now we shall see how you are going to compare. So Radix sort is a non-comparative, so it will not compare any of the digits. So suppose you go with a heap sort, it will compare. So if the heap sort will compare I and j elements. Similarly, bubble sort will compare I and j elements. But heap sort is not a comparative sorting algorithm. Okay, so it avoids the comparison by creating and distributing the elements into buckets. So how it is going to avoid the comparison? By distributing the elements into buckets according to their base. Okay, so how that Radix sort is working, that we shall use the following rules. So it uses following sorting order. So short keys come before longer keys, and then keys of the same length are sorted lexicographically. So this coincides with a normal order of the integer. So it was used for card sorting. So how can you tell how the cards will be sorted? So that we shall see, like it will be started from K, Q, J, 10, 10 up to 1. That is 1 is nothing but A's. So that is the card sorting we have seen. So now you come for the example. Okay, so how you are going to sort this particular elements. So this is the elements we have given. So 29, 25, 3. Okay, so from where, see the elements from where it is sorting, where it is starting and which is the last number. So it is starting from 3 and it is ending at 49. So see here, so in this you have to keep in your mind from where it is starting and where it is ending. So the smallest number is 3 and the largest element is 49. So now you see I have created these are the buckets. So each bucket is ranging from 0 to 9. So how many buckets you need to create? 5 buckets. So first bucket will have the values from 0 to 9. Second bucket will have the values from 10 to 19. Third bucket 20 to 29. Third, fourth 30 to 39. And finally fifth 40 to 49. Okay, now you put that numbers here. So under 0 to 9, you will get 3 and 9. So under 10 to 19, are you finding any digit in between 10 to 19? No, it is not there. So now you come for the next one, 20 to 29. So in between 20 to 29, you are having 21, 25, 29. So that is put here. Next, 30 to 39. So you are having 37. 40 to 49, you are having 43 and 49. So all the elements are placed. Okay. So how you find the number of buckets? So number of buckets you can give depending on the starting value and the ending value. So your starting value is 3 and ending value is 49. So that's why we are going with each bucket, 5 buckets of how many elements? 10 elements. Okay. So this is the sorting technique. Okay. So suppose if there are 1 bit or 2 bit, you can sort it like this. Okay. So here 1 bit means 3 and 9, 2 bit means, so here it is 1 and 9 will come under units place. Next 21, 43, 37, you will get up to tens place also. So now you come for the scenario where you get 3 digits. So here it is used for single digit and 2 digit. So what happens when you get it in 3 digits? So see here. So this is in 3 digits, zeros, tens and hundreds place. Okay. So now in this, you see, first to sort, this is called least significant bit. So second one is called least significant bit, and this one is called third most significant bit. So keep in your mind, the first one what you get is called MSD. So remaining two what you will get are called as LSDs. So how many LSDs are there? So this one is first LSD, this one is second LSD, and this one is third MSD. Okay, so MSD means most significant digit. Understood. So now you sort only the first LSDs. So sort the LSDs. So first you will get 0. So 0 is at which element? 690. So 690 comes here. Next after 0 you are counting with 1. So 1 means 751. Place 751 here. So any digit with 2? No. Come for 3. So 453. 453 will come here. Next 4. So 4 is having for 704. 704 will come here. Next 5. 835. Next 6. 326. Next 7 is not there. 8 you are having 608. So you have placed each and every first LSD. So first LSD is been sorted. Okay. So now you come for the second LSD. So sort the elements according to you are having second. So sorting under second. So first you are getting start from here. So where is 0? 704. So you have to take it from here. So find 0 here. So first you are finding 704. Second you are finding 608. So that's why we have placed 704, 608. So after 0, now you have anything in 1? No, 1 is not there. Next you go with 3, 2. So 2 you are having 3 to 6. Next you are having 3. So from 3 you will get 835 and 435. So 835 and 435 are placed here. Next you get 751. So 4 is not there, you are going with 5. So 751, next 6 is not there, 7 is not there, 8 is not there, come for 9, 690 will come here. So that means you have sorted the second LSD bit. So second LSD bit is sorted here. Come for the most significant bit now. So from this, which is the most significant, you start from ascending. So 0 is there? No. 1 is there? No. 2 is there? No. So first digit is 3. So now you come 3 to 6 will come here. So after 3, now you are having 4. So 435 will come second. 453 will come third. next 5 is not there, so 608 will come here, next 690 will come here, next 7 and 8. So when you sort all the first LST, second LST and third MST, you will be getting in the sorted order. Okay, so this is the Radix sort, how you perform for a 3-digit number. So how you perform for the 2-digit number, it will be like this. Okay, so Radix means base. So keep in your mind what is Radix? Base. So in place of Radix sort, they may even ask you base sort also. So if they ask you explain base sort, so you have to answer like this. So this is the concept. Understanding? So now you come for this numbers. So how you sort using Radix sort? So what are the numbers they have taken? 23. So these are the numbers we have given. So first you see here. So how the elements are sorted, you see. So first you will get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, sort each and everything. So on 0. So on 0, here you see you are having 3 bits. This one is with 2 bits. So when you have 2 bits, you take it as 2, 3, 0. So on the 0 bit you are having 2, 3. Last significant bit you count. So on the 0th position, you will have all the 0th element. So 0th element is 230 will come here. So next one's position, find the number ending with 1. So very easy. So put all the numbers here, find the element starting with 0, sorry, ending with 0. So ending with 0, you have 230, put it in 0 box. Ending with 1, you have 181, place it here. Ending with 2, you don't have anything. Ending with 3, you put, first you will get 130, first you will get 23, next you will get 133. Ending with 4, nothing. Ending with 5, 45 will come. Finally 55 will come. So first you have to place 45, then you will get 55 here. Next ending with 6, nothing. Ending with 7, you have first 87 will come, next 347 will come. Ending with 8, nothing. Next under 9 you are getting 9 and next one is 109. Okay. So these are the numbers what you are having. So now you have to sort according to the numbers. So sorting according to, first you start with a, so you have started from where? Last ending. So ending means last significant bit. So last significant bit is you have sorted according to 0, sorted according to 1, sorted according to 3, sorted according to 5, 7 and 9. Now you go for the second bit. So second bit means, so 0. So second bit should be 0. So where you will get, you will find in this 9 can be represented as 009. So similarly 109. So second bit you should find 0. So here last bit you find 0. Now in the second iteration find second bit with 0. So second bit with 0, first you will get 009. Next you will get 109. So second bit 1, you are not finding second bit, that means middle bit. So second bit you find is 1, you are not finding. So second bit you find 2. So finding second bit under 2, you will get 23. Third bit under, second bit under 3. So second bit under 3, you will find 133 and 230. So fourth bit 4, second bit under 4, you will get 347 is there. Next 045 will be there. Next second bit under 5. So second bit under 5, 55. Similarly 6th you won't get, 7th you won't get, 8th bit you see middle bit, second bit you are having 8. So now you come for the last one. So when you sort, so see how the numbers will be. So third bit you start, the last bit you start with a 0. So last bit you start with a 0. First you will find 009, next you will find 055, next you, sorry, 009, next you will get 023, next after 023, 045, 055, next 087. So under ones you will get 109, next 133 and 181. So under twos you will find 230, under four you don't find anything. So these are the numbers. What are the numbers you are having? So 9, 23, 45, 55, 87. Next you find 109, 33, 81, 230 and 347. So this is the how you sort. So are you getting everyone? Are you getting? So first you will be here sorting with last bit, sorting with last bit, last but one bit, and finally you are sorting with most significant bit. So when you sort, you will be finding all these numbers like this. Okay, understood? Okay, good. So now you come for the program of that one. So how you are sorting the radix sort? So radix sort you will be sorting like this. So this is the C program we will be taking for the radix sort. So start with our program will always start with main. So first you will sort long A of size you will take. So X and D, X means so maximum number of digits you have to take, that is D, and X is index. So index if you are taking D is equal to 10. So what is your number of digits are 10, then it will range from 0 to 9. Okay, so that is radix. So now you take all the values. So once you enter all the elements, now you have to go with a radix sort. So after once you perform the sort, you will be printing the array. Okay, so come for the radix sort program here. So first I define the size as 10. So keep in your mind. So rather than going with the hash define size of 10, here you can directly place 10 also. Okay, so but I have taken define size of 10. So go for the program. So array, inside the array you are finding digits. So what is D? D is nothing but maximum number of digits. So so suppose D is equal to 10. So array will range from 0 to 9. Okay. So first you have to make the particular bins. So how to make the bins? So that's why we take D is equal to I. So D is equal to 10 star D. So 10 star D means each bin. So keep this one in your mind. So each bin takes 10 values. So this, what is D? D is nothing but bucket or bin what you take. Okay. So once you take that bin, so how many values it should take? It should take 0 values. So each bucket should take 10 values. Okay. So initially nothing will be there in the bucket. Bucket will be empty. So how to say the bucket is empty? We are initializing the bucket with 0. So that means initially each bucket equals 0 values. Okay, so now you have to put each and every elements into bin. So how you are going to allocate the elements into the bin? So by taking the least significant. Suppose if you want the least significant means 3 and 9, what should be done? So you have to take the remainder. So how you take the remainder? By using mod symbol. So this is the, by considering the mod symbol, you take the remainder. So remainder will gives you least significant bit. So that we give a of I% d by d by 10. Okay. If bin of tn not equal to null, so then you have to place that element into bin and print that particular element. So this is the program you have. First you put that bin. If bin of tn not equal to 0, that means some element is there. At that time, you put that element into b of tn and we are printing that particular bin. Okay, so similarly, you have to do it for all the elements for all the bins. So so this is done only for 0 to 9 is this particular program. So if you want to do it for 10 to 19, 20 to 13, 29, 30 to 39, and 40 to 49, you have to recopy the array. So this is the logic. So bin of Pn not equal to 0. So you have to take each and every element. So that's why we are giving it as a of j plus plus is equal to bin of Pn. Okay, so once everything is done, you are printing an array. So how you print the status of an array? So you can go with 0 less than size p plus plus, you are printing the statement. So once it will return here, so it is going to print the sorted array. So now we shall see how will be the program iteration. So now you see maximum number of numbers. So maximum elements, you can see it like this. 23, I have taken the same example. 23, 109, 45, 230, 87, 133, 347, 181, 9 and 55. Okay. So bin 3 of 0. So coming under 0, so you have to go with the last one. Bin 3 of 0 is equal to 0 first you find. So 23 will come. Next you will get bin 3 of 0, 9 of 0, like that it will be calculating each and everything. So maximum elements it is going to place it. It will be taken in this terms. So here you can see 3 0 ending with 3, 9 0 ending with 9, 5 0, 45. So under 5 0 you get 45, under 0 0 you get 230, under 7 0 7, 3 1. So 3 with 1 means, so 0 means last bit. So 3 1 you will get 133, under 7 1 you will get 347. So 10 181, this is the iteration. Okay, so once you sort, so bin of 3 0, next you will get 3 with 0. So 3 with 0, 230, 181. So see the elements here, so that you will get it here. So first is 230, 230 is there, 181, next you get 23, next you get 133, next 45, 55, next 87, 347, 109 and 9. Okay, so status of the array, it will show like this. So 109, 9, next you will get 23, next 230, so status, so you can see it here, so it will be like this. 109 is here, next you will get 9, next you will get 23, next 230, 133, 45, 347, 55, 189, 181 and 87. So finally you go with the last iteration. So last iteration you will get 0 1, you get, first you will get 9, so that 9 is above. So you can't see that particular thing. So now you can see under 10 you are getting 109, next you're getting 9, so next 23. So yeah, same elements. After the status, now you will get the final array. So this is the input we are giving. So what you have here status, that will be the input here. So you can check it here, 109 it is starting and 87 it is ending here. So once you sort each and everything, you will get in sorted manner 9, 23, 45, 55, 87 like this. So this is the sorted array what we can see from here. Okay, so starting from first input numbers, so next you will get like this, next you will get, so first input the numbers. So these are the numbers what you are going to input here. So after the status, you can see the status of this one, it will be here. So check this numbers. So you are getting the same thing here. So output of that will be this one. So that's why I'm telling, showing with arrows. And this one is the final one. Okay. So this is the program on Radix sort. Okay, so this is up to Radix out program. Use this particular attendance link to answer your attendance. Have you understood the Radix out program? Have you understood this particular program? So this is the particular video lecture on Radix sort. So what is Radix sort and how you are working on Radix sort. So next we have seen how the buckets will be created and how you sort single digit numbers, how you sort 2-digit numbers, and finally 3-digit numbers also. So how the program execution along with the program is also been illustrated here. Understood? So this is up to Radix sort program. I hope you all got understood this particular concept. So this is up to Radix sort. So this video lecture will be recorded and it will be put it in a YouTube channel. So YouTube channel is already been given like 1 DPMK. So kindly subscribe for the channel and listen to the concepts. Okay. So here I will be ending this particular channel, particular system. Okay. Thank you one and all.